today,
We are gonna explode a pop.
this is what happened when we did it first time.
Top.
And now we're going to have the same thing with
Good
this.
news.
Yep.
Okay.
So, let's get started.
So, everyone, here we go.
Let's go.
And yeah.
So, let's keep
Okay.
throwing it. Okay, so now to throw it up. And it doesn't explode on
Oranges!
So, hold on. And when you drink it, it is just total pop and it is fizz all the way. if
Give
you
it to
can
me.
tell.
Stop. Okay. See if I.
Drink it. Don't spit out on the
And
camera.
don't stop it because we are going to do one more.
We will.
And now we're going to do one more.
Oh! I don't know if.
And Luke, and we're going to throw it up one more time. Everyone
Watch
take
out.
cover.
Watch out, Lil. I'll throw it up.
And yeah, thank you for watching. Basically just this.
Bam.
All we got.
Bam. What?
Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe. Thank